welcome to my channel, Adia Sharel. I am going to show you how to do this braided ponytail. Let's get into it. First, you want to part your hair right down the middle. I wanted to go for a nice, chic, classy look, and I always think of a middle part when I'm going for that. Now that that is all parted out, let's start with the back. Grab a ponytail holder and grab your holding product. I am using Old School Jam just to slick everything down. You want to put it all around the perimeter of each part. Then you want to detangle with a Denman brush and then brush through with a boar bristle brush just to get it nice and smooth. So go ahead and put that section into a ponytail. You don't want it too tight, but you do want it, tight enough so it could lay flat. On to the next section. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same process all over again with each section. When you have thicker, fuller hair, this makes it much easier to get into a ponytail. You could get it much smoother. So this is the way to do it for all my women with thick hair or tight, coily hair. And again, like I said, repeating the same process, putting the hold product in and then smoothing it down with a brush. And here I'm using clips just to hold my hair in place because I'm going to wait until I have both sides smoothed down before I put it into a ponytail. This way you don't have like a million ponytails in your hair. Okay, so that's all set. And then you see me switching over to the other side, repeating the process, brushing it through. And now that that is all smooth, I'm just going to grab my extra thick ponytail holder. I love these goodie ponytail holders. They're amazing. And yeah, just keep on working it through until you have the ponytail in. Next, I will be grabbing my Outre synthetic braiding hair. It's their Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist 24 inches. And so with this hair, I took it right out of the pack and I put a ponytail on the end of it because this hair gets very tangled and I wanted to maintain the length. So I just put the rubber band right on one of the ends. Okay, and so once that is attached, I split my hair into 3 sections and the extension hair into 3 sections and start braiding. I'm just going to leave that part at the top, the loose end. I'm going to leave that there and I'll twist it around later. You'll see. And you definitely want to take your time with this. Like I said, the hair gets very tangled. So you may have to cut through at some of the parts just to make sure it's easier to braid. So keep on working that way all the way down. And so you can see I have achieved the braid. It's nice and long. I love it. And then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band at the end. And then grab some scissors and you want to start cutting away at the extra fuzzy parts so you could get more definition in the curl. Then I just took a thin piece of the extension hair and I'm just going to wrap it around at the base just to cover up the ponytail holder and some of the bulkiness of the braid at top where your hair is blended in. It's a little thicker at the top so that this wrapping conceals it a bit. And I will fix the braid to make it smoother. Next, I just finished. I had to put a little more holding product. Got to be glued, sprayed, that thing. And then I'm going to lay it down with a scarf, okay? Just to make sure everything's set and flat. You want to see the finished look? Here it is. I just love this hairstyle. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.